Okay, everybody, welcome back. This is Herb Goldstein again with another video, and forgive my last video if the quality was a little degraded. I am not necessarily a software developer or computer guy when it comes to creating these videos, but I have been trading securities for over 30 years, so I do consider myself a little bit of a guru. If I don't sound a little bit too overconfident here. But again, we could always learn things in investing, and investing in cryptocurrency is exciting and it's trendy today, and a lot of people are making a lot of money in cryptocurrency. And the big question a lot of people ask me is, how do I make money with cryptocurrency? How am I going to profit by investing in cryptocurrency? And that's a big question, and it's an exciting question. So today I'm going to go over my top 3 cryptocurrency picks for February of 2018. These are my 3 picks, and they may seem a little bit controversial to you, or they may not, but I have experience in this, and I'm going to confidently share my wisdom on the subject of investing in general as it relates to the current phenomena, the hot phenomena of investing in cryptocurrency. So, without further ado, what are the top 3, my top 3 at least, picks in February 2018 if you want to make some money with cryptocurrency? Well, let's start with number 1. I'm going to tell you straight out. And remember, if you're new to cryptocurrency or you're a cryptocurrency veteran, this video will be helpful for both new and the veterans. So please listen up, because this is going to be a big year for cryptocurrency. I assure you, 2018 is the year. My third pick for top 3 in 2018 of February 2018 is none other than Bitcoin. I know that may come to a surprise to many that I did not pick something in the top 3 better than Bitcoin, but Bitcoin is the leader of the pack right now. Now, what does that mean? What does that mean to you as a new investor or a veteran investor? What does that mean? It means Bitcoin is a safe bet. It's almost guaranteed to increase in value this year. It has already gone up 1,000 times last year, and even though it's slightly down in price from its all-time high in December of 20,000, it sits right now, as you can see, at $10,851. That is still tremendous when you compare simply a few months ago. So all the people that say Bitcoin is going down in price, it's not going down when you look at the big picture. You must not react emotionally if you're going to be a savvy investor. One thing I've learned in 30 years of investing is to not be afraid and not react emotionally. React logically. And a logical good bet for any cryptocurrency investor is Bitcoin. It is almost guaranteed to go up this year. It's a safe bet. You can put a moderate supply of your money and your expendable income into Bitcoin, and you are almost guaranteed a return because simply it is the hottest thing out there. It is going to catch on. It's not going anywhere. And if you look down here, it's ranked number 1. Why not go with the best? So that's not a cop-out. That's my number 3 pick for February of 2018 if you want to make some money in cryptocurrency. Here's my number 2. Let's move on. Number 2 is up here, and you may be shocked by this revelation. My number 2 pick for February 2018 of a cryptocurrency is Catcoin. Yes, Catcoin. What is Catcoin, you might ask? Most people don't know. But that's the point. The reason why I'm picking Catcoin as number 2 in February of 2018 is because In order to be a good, intelligent investor, you must take some risk within your portfolio. Most investors play it too safe. They don't take risks. Why not take a risk on a very, very cheap cryptocurrency at only 0.08 cents? And that would be Catcoin. It has a pretty name. Why do I specifically pick Catcoin? Well, let's look at the charts. If you look here at the charts, it had a good start and it completely fell off the map. It barely got up to any price. These prices are in the fractions of cents and it lays flatline. But look at this. It has some life into it. Left in it. It has life left in it. And this is my point. If you are going to consider yourself an investor, you have to take risk in the markets. And getting in on a very cutely named coin, while it's dirt cheap, is a perfect way to balance out your portfolio. This coin merely needs to gain fractions of cents for you to gain and for you to profit. It's as simple as that. People say, Ripple. They missed out on Ripple. It doubled and tripled, went from cents to dollars. Well, you have a chance in coins like Catcoin. Is it a bit of a risk? Is it a bit of a crapshoot? Absolutely, but that's why we invest, because it's fun. What's it going to cost you to put a few $1,000s in Catcoin and watch it sit there? It only takes a blip on the radar for you to make that $1,000 into $10,000. It's very, 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 very risky, but it could also be very, very, very rewarding. So that's my number 2 pick for top coins in 2018, February 2018. Now, let's move on to what you've been waiting for. What I think is the most exciting coin, the most exhilarating coin in February of 2018 is something that all investors should have, and I'm very serious about the professionalism of this coin, the infrastructure of this coin, the technical prowess of this coin, the world presence that this coin brings to the cryptocurrency ecosystem. If there is one coin that I think right now completely embodies the spirit of Satoshi and cryptocurrency and everything that goes along with it, I pick number 1 in February 2018 as Skycoin. Skycoin. It is currently ranked 109 on the charts, currently trading for $29. But the thing about this coin, just look right here, ladies and gentlemen, and you can see what's going on. This is a coin that's been around since 2012. If you look at this chart in a matter of days, it has shot up from $17 on December 21st to, look at this, ladies and gentlemen, 15 days later, it is $50. It goes to $50. $50.49 to be exact. There it is. Right there, ladies and gentlemen. This is a coin that has what veteran investors, not just cryptocurrency investors, veteran investors such as myself who have been in the game for 30 years. This is what we call financial advisors, such as ourselves, call economic potential. This is a potential that is building within this particular cryptocurrency Skycoin. This potential that I see from looking at the charts is uncanny. It's undeniable. You cannot have this amount of growth in a cryptocurrency that has been around this long unless there is something brilliant behind it. And this is what us veteran investors look for. And this is what you should look for as well. Let's look into it. Why? Let's answer the question. Why is Skycoin? Why did it do this? How did it do this? How did it do this? This is amazing. Let's go to their website and we can find out. Like all good investors, you should do your research. Skycoin is backed. Unlike other cryptocurrencies, it is backed by an infrastructure. Most coins today are not even real coins, and that is sad to say, but if you look here on Skycoin's website, Skycoin is anonymous, decentralized, and it's a mesh internet with telecoms. What does that mean? I'm not a technical person, but I know enough about technology to tell you what they're trying to say. What they're saying is Skycoin is actually backed by internet bandwidth, what they call the Skywire system. What does that mean? Every currency needs to be backed by something real, not necessarily tangible that you can touch, taste, or feel, but something that is of utility value to people, because people drive currencies. Ladies and gentlemen, listen up. If you want to know why a coin fails, a security fails, a stock fails, it is because it loses faith in the people. If the people do not find utility in a particular currency, they lose interest. Once they lose interest, the value plummets. So if that's the case, the opposite is true, and that's what I teach my students. I have 30 years in investing, and I consider myself financially well off. And I will tell you that the key to picking a good investment, especially a security, and in this case a cryptocurrency, key is to simply pick a currency or a security, but we're talking cryptocurrency in this case. You want to pick a cryptocurrency that is backed by a utility offered to people. And Skywire does that. Skycoin works off of the Skywire algorithm, where internet bandwidth of normal everyday people around the world, we're not just talking in one country, around the world, the bandwidth is collected. Everybody uses internet bandwidth. Skycoin is building their 360-degree privacy protocol through this structure of harnessing the utility of consumer internet bandwidth and taking that utility as a backing to Skycoin. That is exciting to me. That is the big push behind my excitement over Skycoin. They're simply backed by utility. Bitcoin, even though it's popular, is only backed by the power of the miners, who are mostly in China with their big, powerful rooms of equipment. Only they are the backing of Bitcoin, and those few miners are so few that only a few miners control basically the entire Bitcoin infrastructure. Skycoin is not like that. Skycoin is the opposite. Skycoin brings the entire planet through internet usage, through bandwidth usage, as a means of backing Skycoin. That is security, that is real, that is backing, that is what veteran investors look for. Now, let's look at the benefits. Skycoin, it's free. The transfers are instant, and you have infinite transactions. We all know how long it takes to make a Bitcoin transaction go through. It's a lot, ladies and gentlemen, and Skycoin fixes that. Other features, they're creating a Sky Miner. This is how individuals can also mine Skycoin themselves through internet access points, and you will get paid for your bandwidth. What does that mean? If you want to go the Sky Miner route, you can buy this machine that they sell. I'll show you in a moment, and actually it might even be on this page. Let me look. There it is. Yeah, right there. You can get this Sky Miner right here, this machine here, this apparatus. You don't need big fancy equipment like Bitcoin miners do. You hook up this Sky Miner, and this taps in to the internet bandwidth in your local community, and you exchange that bandwidth for Skycoins. That is how you earn Skycoins. Now, the primary way you can just buy them, but if you want to mine them, you can do it this way through the Sky Miner. The point is, whether you're mining Sky Coins through the Skywire miner, or you are simply buying Sky Coins, the point is Sky Coin is backed by internet bandwidth on a global network. The obelisk is their the decentralized consensus network. What that means is it's truly decentralized. Satoshi's original vision is finally being captured with Skycoin. If you look at the network surrounding Bitcoin right now, it is not as decentralized as Satoshi originally envisioned. Not at all. Even non-technical people such as myself know this, ladies and gentlemen. It is not truly decentralized. Skycoin solves that problem. Lastly, Skycoin and all the things I mentioned above were designed by original Bitcoin and Ethereum developers. Yes, Skycoin has the best of the originators. Is that a good thing? Is it a bad thing? Some might think it's bad. I tend to think it's good because oftentimes in companies you have individuals that are more aggressive, more innovative within those structures that want to break free, and for whatever political reason it just doesn't work, and you have sometimes the brightest minds break away from one company to start another company. This is how many companies in history got started. This is how Apple got started. This is how various car companies, I won't even go down the list, but magnificent companies have been offshoots of other magnificent companies because they take the best, most innovative ideas and improve them in a free and open spirited structure. And that is what Skycoin is exemplifying. And you see it in the charts. Let's look one more time before I close this out why, again, Skycoin is the number one pick. You clearly see it. Let's look at the price. $4.58 in November. This is merely November, December, January. This is less than 3 months, ladies and gentlemen. $4 to $50. That's phenomenal for an organization that's been around for a long time, because that's not quick, cheap money. That's not a thrill. That's not a fluke. That is the structure behind Skycoin coming to the surface. And people are realizing that other cryptocurrencies aren't really backed by anything, and they're losing faith. And they want to know why. Why should I invest in this cryptocurrency? What's backing it? And Skycoin makes it clear that it's backed by something everybody uses. All the people around the world use internet bandwidth. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is why Skycoin is my number one pick for February 2018. Go to skycoin.net, check it out, invest in all three I mentioned. All three are winners. All three, of course, require risk, but Skycoin to me is a clear winner and holds a lot of passion for me and others in the field. And there you have it. Happy investing, everybody.